Hello everyone, this is grade 6, module 2, lesson 4 problem set. The directions state calculate the quotient, if needed draw a model. So I'll start with 1, and I see that they have a common unit, 8 ninths divided by 4 ninths, so I'm going to write that in unit form. And I know when I have common units, it's really just saying 8 divided by 4, and that's going to get me 2. Now, that's the easiest possible way that I could do it, but I will show some models for these other ones to help out as well. So for 2, I'm going to show a model with it. So I have 9 tenths divided by 4 tenths. I could do this into unit form. And then I would just divide 9 divided by 4. So for this one, I'm actually going to draw this one out. And I have 0. This is going to be 1/10, 2 tenths, and I'll get the whole thing numbered. So there it is, numbered up to 9 tenths. And now I need to do little jumps for every 4. So there's 1. And then another 4, there's 2. And I can only jump 1 of the 4 because I'm trying to make groups of 4 here. So I could have done jumps, or I could have done little circles here to show this. Either way, I'm trying to make groups of 4, and I can only get 1 of the 4. So I have 2 and 1/4. And that's my answer for 2. Let's go down to 3. And I have 3/5 divided by 1/3. Immediately I know that I don't have common units, so I'm going to have to make equivalent fractions here to find this. So I see 5 and 3. That's going to give me 15 as my common unit. And the way that I found that was just multiplying 5 times 3. You can also find the least common multiple as well for this one, and you'll still get 15. So my first thing is I'm going to change these. So 5 times 3 will get me 15. And what I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top because it's 3 out of 3 or 1 whole. So 3 times 3 is 9. So there's my new, one of the new. Down here, 3 times 5 will get me 15, so I have to do a 5 over 5. Because this 5 over 5 equals 1 whole, so I'm not changing the value of 1/3, I'm just changing the unit of it. So that's what I'm left with, 9/15 divided by 5/15. So what I can do now is I can either write this into unit form or know that whenever I have common units, it really means 9 divided by 5. So I'm going to show that. And I'm left with 4. And I know my denominator for this is going to be my divisor, or the number I'm dividing by. So 1 4/5. I'm going to now do a tape diagram to show this because I haven't done one yet. So I'm using the 9/15 and the 5/15. So I'll do a tape to show 9 here. Actually, I'll do it to show 15. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 boxes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 boxes. I need to bracket off 9 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's my 9/15. And then I need to circle groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to circle and shade just so I can block those off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I see that I can't get all 5 in. I can only do 4 of the 5 because that 5th one out here is not inside of my 9/15 bracket. So I only got 4 of the 5, and I got a 1 hole right there that I did. So 1 4/5. Let's take a look at 4 now. This will be the last problem on the page. 3/4 divided by 1/5. And I see that I don't have common units, so that's the first thing I'm going to do. And I know my common denominator, or my least common multiple, or my common unit is going to be 20. And again, I can use least common multiple, or I can just say here's 4 as a unit, so fourths, here's fifths. If I multiply them, I get 20. And that'll get you a common unit, not necessarily the least common. So from 4 to 20, it's 4 times 5. So I have to multiply by 5 on top because I have to have a 5 over 5. That's a 1 whole. So I'm not changing the value of 3/4, I'm just changing the unit of it. So 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20, so I have to do 4 on top because, again, I have to have 1 whole. So now I have my two fractions of 15/20 divided by 4/20. And I can write this as unit form, meaning 15/20 divided by 4/20. Or I know that when I have common units, it really means 15 divided by 4. So I can then show that. And I have a 3 left over, and it's going to go over my divisor. So 3 3/4. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and good luck on the rest of your problem set.